Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify a custom domain with Azure, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify a custom domain with Azure, start by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select Custom Domain Names from the menu. Click on that Add Custom Domain button. Enter your custom domain name in the provided field. Click Add Domain to proceed. Azure will generate a unique TXT record for your domain verification. Take note of this TXT record as you will need it in the next step. Now, log in to your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS settings or DNS management section for your domain. Add a new TXT record using the information provided by Azure. Ensure to enter the exact host name and value. Save the changes to your DNS records. Return to the Azure portal and click on Verify. Azure will begin the verification process. This may take a few minutes as DNS changes propagate. Once verified, you will see a confirmation message. You can now manage your custom domain within Azure. If verification fails, double-check the TXT record for accuracy. Be sure that the record has propagated across the internet. After successful verification, consider setting up additional domain settings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.